Okay guys, so on today's adventures, Chevy Aveo or Aveo, however you say it, 5. My wife was heading down the road and smoke started pouring out from under the dash, and it was that culprit. So it's really very simple to replace. I'll put the part number in the video, and I tried to get this locally, but the price was almost double. So anyway, I opted to go with Rock Auto. So anyway, this is a very simple little job. 3 Phillips screws, and I'll show you putting it back in is the same as taking it out. I mean, it's very simple. And this thing was seized right up. There's no dirt in it at all. It was just completely seized. So I have no idea why. Probably original equipment. And in this particular model, they give you this adapter will apparently reverse the polarity in case the cage is turning the wrong way. So it's kind of nice that they send that to you. So I'll show you how to put this back in, and that'll be this little job done. Okay, so there's where she goes in there. Probably can't see much. So put your hose on here. Okay guys, so that's it. Rarely do you get a job so nice and simple as that. 3 screws, put your hose back on, your vent hose right there. Plug your electrical in. All done. Catch you later.